Hey fellow shoppers, what's up? Today we're gonna be opening up a package from Lazada. This is ordered by my wife nung nagkaroon siya ng flash sale. And this item is a multifunctional cleaning instrument. So basically ito yung mga ginagamit sa mukha to remove dirt, oil, and whiteheads or blackheads. I'm gonna be opening up this package to see what's inside, and I'm gonna do a test on how to use this, if it actually works, kung sulit ba siya. My wife bought this for less than 300 pesos, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's just see what's inside the package, and then we're gonna do a test on how to use this, kung effective ba siya or not, kung sayang ba yung less than 300 na nabayaran ng wife ko, or sulit siya for its price. Okay, so in the box, meron siyang yung main unit. It comes with basically total of 5 suction tips. So, got this first one. Mas wide yung butas. Ito, mas makitid. So, maybe ito yung mga para sa singit-singit ng ilong. And this one looks like has a scrub tip. So, I don't know lang kung okay gamitin to. Let's find out. Ito, mas malaking opening para dun sa tips. Eh, meron siyang kasamang 4 foams dito. And I'm assuming ito yung para sa filter, para hindi pumasok yung buong dumi sa loob ng device. And it has 3 O-rings, 2 large and 1 na maliit. So I'm guessing na para dito yan sa loob. So this is connected via O-rings for sure. So we just twist this open. Well, pwede mo nang hilahin, pero just so that to avoid degradation dito sa O-rings natin, which holds our suction tips. Just twist it out and don't just force it out. Twist and pull. Okay. So yun, ito yung dalawang O-rings na malaki, and then itong maliit should be for this. Okay. And yung mga foams is, like I said, yun nga, tama nga, na it acts as a filter, so that the dirt that you suck in won't get into the device. So you can just easily replace this out if it gets dirty. And let's say maubos mo na lahat to, I guess we can use any normal foam. Just cut it into shape and just plug it inside. Okay, so test this out. So with just a single press, it turns on, and if we do a few more presses, palakas ng palakas yung suction force niya. So parang vacuum lang siya talaga, as in nanghihigop siya. So at number 1, ito gaano kalakas yung paghigop niya. Okay. Number 2. And number 3. Yeah, feel ko mas kumakapit siya. Okay, so to turn this off, you just need to do a long press, about 3 seconds, and it's gonna turn off. And after using, of course, we just clean the tip with water and Q-tips para matanggal yung mga dirt sa crevices niya. Then let it dry. And I suggest na don't put the tip on if let's say bagong linis mo lang, and put it back in the O-ring kasi based on mga experience ko sa mga device na gumagamit ng rubber O-rings, pagbasa yung nilalagay mo, eventually nagdedegrade yung rubber. So I suggest na make sure the tips are dry before you plug it in. Yeah, and then you can charge this using a micro USB. Yep. So I'm gonna charge this and come back to you guys for the demonstration. Guys, so we're back. We're gonna be testing out how to use this product, yung actual na effect niya sa mukha natin. So after we charge this, we just need to press this once, and makikita mo may indicator siya dito. So if you do two more presses, nagkakaroon tayo ng tatlong indicators, and this signifies kung gaano kalakas yung suction force niya. So here, we're gonna be trying this out on my face. See kung may makukuha mga dirt. Okay. Sa instructions nito, it says that this product should only be used on dry skin once a week, and if it's used on an oily skin, pwedeng twice a week, and do not exceed 5 minutes every time you use it. And it also depends on the skin condition kasi baka magkaroon ng damage yung skin natin. We should not also press this hard on our skin kasi may ample suction force na siya, and baka masira yung unit and as well as our skin. And if at some point may biglang mamula sa skin natin, this is normal reaction of our skin. So after 30 minutes, dapat mawala na yung pamumula. And after we use this, we should apply good skin moisturizer para maintain yung freshness ng skin natin. And also, take note daw na we should not use a facial scrub or exfoliating products before and after using this. And we should not always use it on the same position, which may cause more skin irritation or redness. So far, ito yung dirt na nakuha sa mukha ko. So to clean this up, we just remove the tip. Well, turn off the unit first by doing a long press. It's about 3 seconds, and then we just remove this tip. Twist lang natin, then pataas. So here is our main unit, and we just need to clean this tip. Based sa experience din ng wife ko sa product na to, na-try din niya to. Natuwa siya. This product is very good based sa nagamit niya. And for what it's worth, sulit siya. Sa halagang less than 300 pesos nung flash sale sa Lazada. Not bad. Extra cleaning tip nga pala. Maliban sa paghugas ng ating mga tips, pwede din nating itanggalin itong top part ng device, since naka-connect lang naman siya via O-rings, at may makita tayong parang sponge dito sa gitna. So we can remove that part if nakita natin na may mga dumi-dumi siya doon, since that sponge acts like a filter, and you can easily replace it with their extra filters. So may kasama ng extra o-rings yung package nila. So isang maliit para dun sa tip na kakatanggal ko lang. And then itong dalawang o-ring na to is just in case na masira yung o-rings natin dito sa gilid, kung saan kumakabit yung mga suction tips natin, since these degrade over time. So yun, meron tayong DC replacement. So if everything is clean sa filter, we can just push this back in. And just clean our suction tips with Q-tips and water, rinse it, and let it dry out. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and nakatulong sa pag-decide kung worth it sa inyo itong product na to or not. Hope you like and subscribe. Adios.